Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all well. In today's video, I will be sharing with you my tropical juice recipe. And we're going to need 1 pineapple, 3 tangerines, 1 orange, 2 mangoes, a piece of ginger, and 1 banana. Make sure you wash all your fruits and after that cut them into medium sizes. And here are some of the health benefits of mango. Mango is packed with nutrients, is very low in calories, may help prevent diabetes and also improve digestive health. But feel free to drop the health benefits of all the fruits I will be using in this video. It's time to peel the oranges and tangerine. After that, cut your mango in small square shape just to make the blending easier. You can use a juicer or a blender for this recipe if you wish to. It's time to peel the banana and also cut the pineapple. Pineapple skin is very healthy and nutritious as well. You can use it when you want to make different kind of drinks. You just boil it and we add different herbs, boil it together and drink it as well. It's very good for our immune system. For the tropical juice recipe, I like my pineapple ripe, so that's why I leave it until it's well ripe before using it. So if you want to obtain the same sweetness, make sure you get a ripe pineapple. Pineapples contain phosphorus, zinc, calcium, and vitamin A and K. Pineapples are especially rich in vitamin C and manganese, as well as numerous other vitamins and minerals. If you're enjoying today's recipe so far, kindly give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here and you love to see more recipes, kindly subscribe and make sure your notification bell is on. Shout out to all my returning subscribers. I truly appreciate all of you for your continuous love and support. Please help me grow this channel by sharing my content and do me a big favor by trying this recipe. Now it's time to peel the ginger. If you like to know about the health benefits of ginger, check my previous video. Now I've finished with all the ingredient prep. I'm going to nicely blend my ingredients. As mentioned before, feel free to use a juicer if you want to. The fruits that I'm using for this recipe are very sweet already, so I'm not going to add too much sweetener. I will be using only 1 tablespoon of honey to make sure the juice is exactly how I want it. Let's look at the health benefits of banana. Banana improves digestion, cures ulcers, cures heartburn, and also help with skin condition and reduces stress. Tangerines are packed with nutrients, very high in antioxidants, may support brain health, could help improve skin appearance, help with weight loss, and may also support heart health. After adding the honey, it's time to add some water and give this a very good blend. And there you have it. This is our tropical juice ready. Looking so refreshing, and I'm going to serve it right now. And I'll let you know exactly what I think. You can tell it's a very easy juice to make. And once you finish with it, just put the rest in the fridge. And that can stay there up till 10 days and it's still going to smell, taste, very, very fresh. And so I had this, and I can tell you is so refreshing and very, very nutritious. So why not give this a try and let me know in the comment section what you think. And if you like today's recipe, kindly give the video a thumbs up, share it with family and friends, and I will see you all in my next one. Take care for now. Bye. Au revoir.